About cassowary bird. Cassowary bird is a large flightless bird. It is considered the most dangerous bird in the world. There are three different species of cassowaries: the northern cassowary, southern cassowary, and dwarf cassowary. It lives in the tropical rainforests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. A group of cassowaries is called a shock. It is a strong swimmer and can move quickly on both land and water. It has 3 toes on each foot and a sharp claws. Its main food is fruit. It also eats other things such as snails, fungi, ferns, and flowers. After the eggs are laid, the male takes sole responsibility for incubating the eggs and raising the chicks for an additional 9 months. Thanks for watching.